Nakasakay na tayo dito, guys. Yay! I'm gonna hold you. We're riding here.
Game. Take a picture.
Ayaw pa sana sumakay ni Caleb sa loob. Ayaw pa sana pumunta ni Caleb sa loob ng former. Huh? I can only call you Memo. Ang gago. Ang tulog na.
Sit. Oh.
Nagtatabi ko yan. So guys, dito kami ngayon sa Universal Studios. Yan. Picture muna kami sa may globo. Kasi yun yung sikat dito eh. Man, that's the Minion Land! There, oh! Wow! Memo! Gila, grabe. Wow!
Outfit ko yan. Tagapit ko niya.
So kumain kami dito guys sa may Minion Land, sa may Hungry Food Stand. And grabe ang mahal ng bill namin. Pero guys, in-expect naman namin to kasi syempre sa lahat talaga ng mga amusement park, pag ibang bansa, mahal talaga. Parang sa Disneyland din sa mga dati ang mahal. So ganito kamahal guys, yung bill natin. Ayan.
Mark, withdraw ka na.
Super hungry sa Universal Studios. So may Minion Land to guys. Ito yung mga order namin. Ayan, 150. Memo, are you happy? Masakay kami dun mamaya guys. Diyan. You want to ride there? Yes.
We do.
I want to ride the horse.
We do.
The horse? Okay.
We do.
Yeah.
And who?
Daddy.
And who?
Oh, about me! Look, May, I'm gonna eat the minions. Ba. Kiss the minion. This is his eye. This is his mouth.
Eat.
Masarap to, Mal.
Sasawan lang yan.
Ay, ganun.
Mamangan ka.
No.
Sarap nitong Fanta. Hindi nagkasalita yan? Grabe init. Stay here, Caleb. Punta kami dun, guys.
Hello! Ayun ang mag-download eh.
Nel, sabihin mo yung bumili tayo.
Ito, bumili na kami ng Expressway.
Expressway.
Para hindi namin malate parts.
Pakita mo. Ayan, ganyan.
Magkano isa dito, by the way?
Ah, basta 31 plus lahat eh. Mga 32K. 5. Parang 6K isa, no? Aray.
Wala na kahit ano.
$700.
Lahat. Pero pag ano sana, 110 lang pag hindi kasali dito.
Ayun dito.
Pag minion
Alam ko
lang.
20,000.
Ay, kaso minion lang.
Oo, kasi ito yung sikat ngayon eh.
Kasi naman magtampo
Ay! Ouchie na daw!
Okay na. Ayun na, tinatanggal na oh. Wait, me.
Kaya na pa kami nakapila dito guys. Tapos bumili kami ng express pass para hindi na kami maghintay. Kasi naiinip na tong batang to.
Wait, me. We will go there first.
Going up.
Ano after niya?
Pwede naman tayo nandito, pwede.
在这两边所有我随机 please keep all your head.
Nasakay na tayo dito guys.
May
Mag-picture.
Yay! I'm gonna hold you.
Ay, point.
We're riding here.
Game. Take a picture. Me. 1, 2.
Yeah. I don't want to
Come
eat.
on, mali. Come on.
No, I don't want to eat.
Ayun sila Mark, nakahiwalay sila.
Bakit ka na makita? Oh.
Ayan.
Mansa pa.
Look at that.
Ay.
We can see the world now, Caleb. Look. Wow!
Ay, you have.
Wow! Jari natakot dyan, no?
Ay, nahihilo.
Nahilo ka? Nakahilo?
Ako nahihilo. Huwag kayo tumingin sa labas.
Paikot lang kasi.
Pag tumingin kayo sa labas, nakakahilo. May, look to dada. Still easy.
Follow the signs towards the nearest exit. We hope you enjoy your stay and enjoy the rest of your day at
Oh, we're
Super
done
Silicon
na! Yun na yun, yung tagal natin inantay.
欢迎回来，在乘机车厢完全停止之前，请勿起身，请在。
Tara! In the Gru House! Par, ang laki ni Gru, par! Oh, ang laki ng kotse ni Gru! Ina mo ka, ha? Ang laki. Oh, ito bahay niya. Pasok. Meme!
Everyday boring civilians like you into millions. At first there were a few minor snags,
Ibigyan mo minion,
and a few major snags.
Wow! Oh no. Ha.
Although I kind of like that guy.
You want to become minion?
I love that guy. That guy really knows how to party. Don't worry, we have finally worked out all of them.
You want to be a minion? Let's see if you can think like one. A salesman comes to the door looking for your
May
boss.
movie, par?
Boss isn't home.
Ha! Abang-abang.
So guys, the next ride natin, isarado kasi yung isa, yung horse. Horse ba yun? Hindi naman yung horse eh. Tapos
para
yung doon horse. Dito kami guys sa ano to? May mayhem? No?
Oh.
May mayhem eh.
What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Papoy?
Papoy? Oh, say Papoy. Say Papoy.
Papoy.
Go there.
We're gonna go here, we're gonna watch me.
请坐下并系好安全带。每2小时中上即可搭乘一名游客，
Me, you gonna ride?
请系好安全带，紧握扶手，面向前。
Grabe dito guys, sobrang init. As in, sobra. Ito na kay Shrek. Ang bango, shit. Si Caleb na nagwawala palagi. Kailangan pang panoorin para tumigil. Nagwawala siya sa labas guys, ayaw sumakay sa loob. Ito kami kay Shrek guys. Manood kami ng movie ni Shrek.
May wear your shades like us. Oh, dito a dragon.
Who's sleeping?
Shrek sleeping.
What's that, man? Yeah.
Nagdada, be quiet. It's noisy.
Sorry. Yung anak ni Ducky. Si Meme, si Meme. Hi, Meme. Sit, sit, sit. Oh.
Nagdada, be quiet. It's noisy.
Sorry. Parang ako sa pagkakas. Shield later shield the dragon How? Sobra. How you shield the dragon? Sobra. Hey. Sister, kumuna mo.
How are you, man? Black Panther.
Look at them! What are they waiting for?
Oh, this is torture. What about the women? And the children? And the cute little wooden puppets?
And the cute piggies? Yeah, 3 of them!
Okay, but there's not much time, and I'm only going to say this once. So listen up, all of you. He's back!
Tell us something we don't know, Cookie Boy!
Once upon a time, there lived a frightful ogre named Shrek. He lived alone in his swamp, far from those who would judge him by appearance.
Did you know just one batch of DNA takes
Ano yan?
Yung Jurassic Park Adventure.
Mabilis tayo dyan, oh. Amen. Are you happy?
I fight the dragon.
You fight the dragon?
Earlier, you fight the dragon. You shield. Show your shield.
Anubis. Kaya lang. Wow, par!
Where are we going?
check, testing. This thing up. I think cool. Hey there, everybody. It's Ernie here, letting you know that Sesame Street Goes Bollywood will begin in 10 minutes.
Ito na, malapit tayo sa ano?
Sci-fi. Ito to, Pak.
Say happy birthday, Kuya!
This one seems easily confused.
Hands up!
Lepis!
Caleb, peace! Caleb, peace! Look here! Look here! Lights, camera, action! Okay, let's go fighting boss. Lights, ready, look here, go! Alright.
Ayaw pa sana sumakay ni Caleb sa loob. Ayaw pa sana pumunta ni Caleb sa loob. Transformer. Huh? I can only call you Memo.
Ang gago.
Tinututo ko lang siya. Sabi ko, he's gonna save me. Caleb will save me. Kasi kailangan namin iwan yung stroller sa labas. So, ito kami sa Transformers. I'm gonna watch on Mommy's phone later. Now? Where's Mommy's phone? Sleepy na daw ang baby. You're sleepy na? Grabe, haggard na. Dito kami sa ano guys, sa Sesame Street na yata to. Tapos, baka konting rides na lang, uwi na rin kami after. Jamil!
Milo man, Milo.
Turkey leg.
Milo, 5.
Laki.
Oh. Game na.
Milo?
Oh, may Milo.
Sige.
5. Wow, wala na itong baby.
Ang tulog na. Yay!
Yan. Lakad ko. Kasi ba?
Sabi niya pa kanina, ayaw daw niya matulog hanggang wala sa bahay. Sa bed niya. We're gonna swim!
Yay!
Yeah! Wow!
Okay, wait.
Go, big thing!
Ito dyan, ginawa mo.
Anyone you said